Their path takes them over a fallen tree that serves as a bridge over a ditch. Ella carefully balances along the tree. Happy-go-lucky, Ouch runs straight ahead, not looking where he's going. Whoops! Uh-oh. Ouch slips off the tree trunk, whirls through the air, and plunges through green leaves and some mysterious red dots. He lands next to a big pile of wood on some soft moss. Alarmed, Ella comes running and wants to help Ouch, but he just says, "Again, the red dots are wonderful." Eventually, Ouch has had enough, and the two ants now want to find out where these beautiful dots come from. There's Father Ladybug, bright and shiny red. Ella asks him, "Did you ring our doorbell?" The ladybug answers in surprise. "Me? I don't have any time. I'm playing tag with my children. Would you like to help me?" Ella and Ouch are excited. Playing is fun. Hooray! All done! The whole ladybug family sits together happily on a green leaf.